Pardon for wearing the hoodie. It's a little cold in here this morning. This is the, I think it's the 6th of February. It's been in the 50s and 60s for a while. It got cold last night, went down to 32. Here's the piece that I removed off the top. This is where that cam's been rubbing it. First thing I'm going to do is take a hammer and straighten this out. I'll be right back. Okay, took a hammer and my improvised ammo and straightened it all up. Where to get these newfangled cameras to focus? Now I'm going to take a file and file off that area where it rubs against. See if we can make it a little smoother. It's not a hard metal. File's very easy. That ought to do it. Use this handle to hold it in place. There we go. I think I'm on to something. Little nylon nut to keep it from going anywhere. I think we have a repair. Get you out the stands here and take you over and let you look closely. Now, this lever pushes up against that, and now when I push it down, you can feel it lock into position. Before it wasn't doing that. And if you can notice there, now it's making full contact. Of course, it's indented here some. And I suspect what's going on is over the years this getting pushed in bent that piece and it wouldn't let it cam to the full position. Maybe in another 20 years I can turn this over and it'll be good as new. It's a good fence. It's a great saw. Had about Well, I guess I've had this in about 15 years. Okay, now we'll get into some cabinet making.